Hey everybody, hey, this is Dave and Sean at DMI Communications. I gotta tell you, we are having so much fun being here in Cabo, right? This is your first time here, Sean, right?
Oh, in Paradise, yes, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Paradise.
Beautiful.
It's, you know, I gotta tell you, we love it. Why? Because, you know, we have a place down here, and at AWOL Academy, it's changed our lives. We just want to make sure that you can have the same type of life. Sean, this is your first time to Cabo. What are some of the things that you love about Cabo? For everybody, just to let you know, we just saw the sunrise. We woke up really early in the morning. You could hear the ocean in the background. We're right next to it. It's gorgeous. But what do you like about Cabo? What have you liked here?
Well, first, the weather. Weather is absolutely amazing.
Absolutely great.
Second, I would have to say it's the scenery, it's the people, it's the breathtaking views, it's the end of the land over there, or whatever they call it. What do they call it over there? Gorgeous. But,
oh yeah, the rocks, beautiful.
Oh, and the people down here, just absolutely amazing. Man, they wait on you hand and foot. And
we've had a lot of fun though, haven't we? We went to ATV riding.
We've had a little fun, yes.
Yeah, ATV riding and boats and dinner cruises.
Deep sea fishing, dinner cruises, and just, it's a part. Oh, we went to the Cabo Wabo.
Cabo Wabo.
We were sitting there, and all of a sudden, I don't know, Toby Keith just walks in.
Toby Keith.
Decides to play a set. Not very many people, so we were right there at the right there at the rail, as they say. Just absolutely amazing.
It was so incredible. I wish you would have been there. About 70 people, and he comes down, gets on stage, and just starts singing. I guess that song. What is that? His famous song about the bar. Right? Incredible. Anyway, guys, you could have a great life like this. Just, you know, it's all about making a decision, right? We made a decision. You were working for the man. Yes. You're working for the man. He said, no more. Hate that life.
No mas.
It's destroying me. And what happened, obviously, is that we became a partner, making a lot of money right now, and AWOL want you to have this life. You could do it. You just got to decide. Come on down to Cabo, meet with us. But I want you to click down right below on the PDF, and it'll change your life. Watch Kayla.
Why? Because this is an amazing way of life.
It is.
Everyone should experience this.
And you could have it. You could have it. Anyway, come down to Cabo and be with us. Love to see you.
Join us.